Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the right camera distance in Palworld. Let's begin by opening the options menu. From here select Graphics and scroll down. Look for the camera settings and in here should be the right camera distance. As you can see, by the default it is set to 1. You can decrease it as low as 0.5 or go as high as 2.0. I'll stick with the default. Once you are happy, simply press the back button and then hit yes to apply the changes. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.